Hello garden lovers! Today is Green Chili Harvest Day. We will be getting these guys roasted, peeled, and frozen for green chili dishes for the next year. As I've mentioned before, we are huge green chili lovers. My amazing chef husband makes so many delicious dishes with these chilies, like green chili chicken pasta, green chili burgers, green chili enchiladas, green chili crab dip, green chili mac and cheese, and green chili omelets. Just naming all these dishes, I'm getting hungry. And of course, delicious salsas, but the main salsa we make, we use the chili de arbol. These dishes are so amazing and packed full of flavor. Let us know if any of these sound delicious to you and we will share the recipe. And we'd love to hear what your favorite chili dish is. All right, so gonna get these guys harvested and then go over the steps of preserving these beauties for the year. All right, gonna get these guys roasted, peeled, and frozen. And if I forget to mention it later, wearing gloves when peeling these guys, I have found is necessary. You go to scratch your eye, I've got allergies and I'm constantly itching my eyes. And man, that is some painful burning. Here's the beautiful purple jalapeno. They start off purple and then look at they ripen to this beautiful reddish purple color. And here we are. They're roasted, peeled, and now we will get them frozen. We love the flavor of the chilies ripened to red. They just get sweeter and spicier. All right, that's it for now. For more short videos on how to grow food in Southern California, hit the subscribe button. Hope you guys enjoy your week and enjoy your garden.